people. I got this little care package from Chef Carter. Let's see what we got here. Cooked with love. See you next year, Chef Carter. All right, let's take this note. We stick it to the side. Pull this out. What is this? Oh, that's some homemade rose right there. Looky there. Set this to the side. Next up, oh, we got some sweet potatoes. Let's take it. Pull this top off and look in here. See what we got. Oh, looky there. We're gonna slide this on over to the side. Uh-oh. We got some turkey now. Fill this bad boy open. See what we got. Oh, look at there, look at there. Got some straight fire turkey. Look at there. Ooh. Slide it on over to the side again. Oh, what we got now? Oh boy, one of my favorites. We got the smoked ham. Let's take a little peek at this bad boy. See what we got here. Oh, Chef Carter, look at there. Smoked ham, baby. What we got now? Oh, stuffing. Not stuffing, but this is stuffing. Looky here and looky here, looky here. Let's see. Oh boy. What do you think about that, Luke?
Pretty good.
Alright, we'll put in this bad boy right here. Got my mouth watering. Let's see what we got the. Oh, the Holy Grail. We got the world famous Chef Carter macaroni and cheese. Oh, what do you think, Luke?
I think I'm gonna have to stop this video and start digging.
We gotta finish. See what else is in here. Got a little pack of gravy. Look at there. Hey y'all, Chef Carter, she got jokes. She made all that homemade food from scratch, and she give me a packet of gravy and some instant mashed potatoes. Ha ha ha, funny. Anyway, y'all, have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving. Be safe out there. Bye.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and stick around and watch more of my videos. All right, thanks for stopping by. Take care.